You know what's inside of an egg, right? You crack it open, there's the yolk, the clear stuff, and it's all wrapped up inside of a shell. But there's more. Take a closer look. What are these things? And what's all this stuff? Let's see if we can become eggsperts on eggs.
Eggs are made from the inside out as they travel through the bird. We will use a chicken as our model because you've seen their eggs before.
It starts with this, a yellow ball of yolk.
The chicken ovary has several yolks growing at one time. Each growing yolk is supported inside an egg follicle, which provides nutrients and support. Ever wonder why doctors sometimes recommend not eating egg yolks? The yolk is a ball of fats and cholesterol, enough energy to feed a baby chick as it grows. For the chick, it's great. If you're trying to eat less fat, not so helpful. Anyway, once the yolk has enough fat, the follicle opens and sends the yolk down the oviduct, like a dark, twisty water slide.
Now we start to add layers. The egg white is added to the outside of the yolk. It's a bunch of long protein strings. The egg white is just protein and water, so we'll pack that on the outside of the yolk. Now the whole ball starts to spin. It turns around and around until the ends start to tangle into knots.
We saw these earlier in the pan.
They support the yolk and keep it in the center of the egg. Same material as the egg white, just in a different form. Next, we'll stuff all this into a balloon. The balloon is the inner membrane. Technically, in an egg, this would be 2 layers, but we're using one balloon to represent both. As the membranes form, the egg white swells with water and takes on an egg shape for the first time.
We're not done yet. The most famous layer of an egg is coming. The egg is bathed in a calcium solution and calcium crystals plate the outside. We'll represent the shell with paper mache, just paper strips, flour, and water. We'll leave a window in our shell so we can still see inside. Then we'll let it dry. There's one last layer, the cuticle. The cuticle seals the egg to keep water in and bacteria out. Sometimes there's pigments in the cuticle, so I'm going to paint some spots to represent the cuticle. You can seal the egg with a water-based acrylic sealant if you want to keep your egg around.
And that's it. We've created an egg from the inside out, just the way it would happen in a real chicken.
Thanks for stopping by to learn what makes life awesome. There's more excellent videos on this channel, and be sure to cluck the subscribe button before you fly the coop.